Pam Foley from Las Vegas, Nevada. I am going to be skydiving. It's been one of my lifelong dreams, but I was too heavy to do it until I had my lap band surgery. I was having a lot of health conditions. I had sleep apnea, high blood pressure. I wasn't able to lose weight and keep it off from conventional diets. Gone down from a size 24 to a size 8. I'm elated. I'm excited. I can't wait to do it. I'm reaching one of my goals. This is actually my first goal that I am doing right now. It's my first thing that out of all my goals that I am doing today, and I'm totally thrilled.